Hello, I'm Andre Amsing from onlineincomeroadmap.net and also andreamsing.com. This is my review of Visective, which is a WordPress premium plugin with platform software that allows you to create one-click videos in 60 seconds, according to what they claim. But even if it took just 5 minutes, because creating videos takes time. And I'm a video marketer myself. I've spent a lot creating videos, getting it right, and also working on optimizing, doing the keyword research, and getting the traffic to the video. Well, with this tool, you don't have to do all of that. But before we go on, let's look at my mega bonus package that I have put together for all those that would click through my affiliate link to this product. You'll be getting some fantastic bonuses that also will allow you to get local clients. Okay, we are here in the Visective bonus and review page. How to create high converting one-click video sites in 60 seconds. I have some mega bonuses for you. This is the review and bonus page. Now this bonus page is available as long as the countdown timer is not at 0. Okay, if it's at 0, then you might need to contact me directly in case you are late. One thing to pay attention to is that the links to the Visective one-click video sites are active Monday, the 7th of September 2020 at 11 a.m. EDT. So if you're there before, please bookmark this page and come back. So the idea is to create automated passive income today with this amazing 60-second video creation platform. And you will learn how to monetize high converting video sites with built-in SEO that pumps out sales. So let's discover the unique mega bonuses that you'll get by buying Visective one-click video sites through my link. These are designed to help you get into the money as fast as possible. And this bundle is worth $873. The first mega bonus is the Video Kiss method. This is a course that I wrote, 11-module mini course in video and audio formats, including walkthroughs. Learn how to get your products in front of the right audience with laser-targeted videos. The second mega bonus is Launch Jacking Formula from Jono Armstrong. This is fantastic, and there are 12 videos. Get sales and traffic for free by using launch jacking. Hijack your way to success. It's the only way to make affiliate sales without a list or a product or connections that actually works. So check that one out. Mega bonus number 3, how to get business clients on LinkedIn, because no doubt that you can sell your services to local businesses who need to grow their exposure. And you can get them on LinkedIn, and Hung Lee is one of my mentors. He is very, very good in B2B marketing strategies, and he will show you how to do it. He taught me how to do it, and I have a vast following on LinkedIn. Mega bonus number 4, how to grow your business fast using referrals. And this is really the way to do it. You can start with 2 or 3 people that you don't know, and then once they have a good relationship with you, each one of them can get you at least 1 new referral every year. Other bonuses that you might like: mindset hurdles to overcome to succeed online. This is John Thornhill that wrote this book, and I redid it. 18 reasons why you're not succeeding online and what you can do about it. There's the ebook, and there's also videos. The thank you page strategy, this comes from Anik Sangal. There are other people that teach it. How to use your thank you page to finance paid ads, especially if you're doing solo ads. This is a very interesting way of auto-financing it all. List building cash machine, everybody needs to know how to do it. Omar Martin wrote this one, and this is how to build your own cash machine using these free and paid list building methods used by 6-figure marketers. There is an ebook, a report, and 3 training videos. Bonus number 8, how to make money with your blog. Turn your blog into a money-making machine. And there's an ebook and 3 videos that give you 9 reasons to build a money-making blog. This is also a business that you can sell. This is also a business that you can sell later. Fast action bonus. This is for people that contact me within the launch period. You can get a 30-day email follow-up, and you can ask any question that you want. The only thing is that this will not be available. Most of these bonuses will be available on the Warrior Plus platform. So when you buy, you'll find a button with bonuses that you can access immediately. But for this bonus, we need to have a personal contact. So you need to send me the receipt and the transaction ID as proof of purchase to Andre at onlineincomeroadmap.net, and we will send the contact and follow-up email. for the first 25 people who take action. I'd hate for you to miss out on this, so click right away and find out more. Okay, talk later. Okay, we're back and I'm on the sales page and it says cracked wide open. WordPress platform builds instant one-click SEO optimized video sites that gets you traffic. Actually, it's interesting because this plugin gets you traffic, but also builds your email list automatically. And it really is the best way to monetize because YouTube and Google is the biggest search engine in the world, and YouTube is second. And 70% of the people that are looking for information, if they have to choose between a video, written information, they'll choose a video. And that's where you come in. And the opportunities to get organic traffic from YouTube are enormous. The best road to follow is to be SEO optimized, to have the right keyword, and to be attracting passive traffic that is typing in. These are visitors that are typing the exact keyword into the search engines. And you will have your video presented to them because you're on that keyword. So this is really interesting. It takes 2 minutes, a minute or two to create a video because the software does it automatically for you. And you can have hundreds of videos very, very quickly. You can do it also for local businesses because local businesses need more exposure. They are wondering how to survive the coronavirus shutdown, the recession period that's coming, or that maybe is already coming. They can't depend on foot traffic anymore. And so you need to meet the clients where they are. Where are they? Well, they are on the social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and on YouTube. If your video is well optimized, actually Google will place it on page 1 of Google because they give an advantage and a competitive advantage to anybody that takes the time to do video. In fact, local businesses need to know that all their written content has to be turned into video if they want to reach their clients. And one picture is worth 1,000 words, of course, right? So this is a very exciting product. And you can get in for $17 to get started, which is peanuts. It's really nothing. There are some upsells, including unlimited sites and developer license where you can sell the product as your own. But that's up to you. I mean, you don't have to do that. And what is Visective one-click video sites all about? Well, you can create multiple videos in 60 seconds, 120 seconds, but anyway, very, very quickly. And there's no better way to create passive online profits than using video marketing, except it's a lot of work. So this tool will save you hours and hours. What if you can get at the same time traffic, rankings, sales, and build your list all on autopilot, but you don't have to create the video yourself. This is what the Visective Premium WordPress plugin allows you to do, is to create multiple high-ranking video niche sites with hundreds of curated videos working for you. These are web properties. And just one click, you can get a fully-fledged video site that will get you SEO optimized rankings, will build your list at the same time, drive social traffic, make affiliate sales, and all of that is mobile responsive. Has already worked very well. And in the sales page, you'll see results that this man has been getting. Radu and William earned $5,764 last month with passive affiliate sales. So I don't know how many videos they did. I know they sold 232 products, which is nice. You know, they were getting 7,000 visitors per day using the power of video and SEO. So that's very interesting. How many videos they created, I don't know. But, you know, sometimes you have to create many videos so that you get one that will go viral on you. When it goes viral, then it really takes off. So I would highly encourage you to go and look into this video. Just click on the links that are on my review and bonus page. Check it out. If this can save you time, it's worth its money. And money you can lose or not earn, but time you can never get it back. It's too precious. So spend your time wisely and let automating software do the work for you. It'll do the work for you and you get results right away. So check this out. This is Visective WordPress Premium plugin plus software plus platform to optimize your videos with one-click SEO optimized video sites. That's what you'll be building. Okay, talk soon, and click right now to the sales page and check it out. See you soon. Bye-bye.